In the last video, I got a local model running on an ordinary laptop, no graphics card, and it worked within limit. Loads of you asked the obvious question: so is that it? A laptop just not enough? But there is a way to run a far more capable agent on the same laptop, and I'll be straight with you about exactly what you give up to get it. I'm V, I run an AI consultancy, and on this channel I break down exact tools and workflows we build for our clients. Here's the plan. First, why your laptop can't run a local agent. There's a specific technical reason, and it's worth understanding. And then I will point the same laptop at the frontier open source model GLM 5.2 running in the cloud. So let's start with why the agent fails on the laptop. Because it's not what you'll guess. A plain model runs fine, that's what I showed last time. A small local model answering away in LM Studio. But an agent, such as Hermes agent, running on the laptop requires more resources, and it won't start at all. And the reason being that Hermes agent needs a model with at least 64,000 tokens of context. Context is just a model working memory, how much it can hold, and it's at once. 64,000 is the floor. Below that, Hermes refuses to run. Yes, you can override that, but with all the skills and other things included, it will still significantly impact performance. A normal business laptop doesn't have a proper graphics card, so it can't handle the model anything like 64,000 tokens. So if the laptop can't hold a model, the answer is simple: don't make it. You keep the agent on the laptop and you put the models somewhere else with the real hardware. I'm using a company called Nebius. The thing to understand about Nebius is that at its core, it rents you GPU. So the real data center hardware by the hour, and on your own rented GPU, you can download and run whatever open source model you like, fully under your control. That's the important bit about the privacy, and I'll come back to it later on. Nebius also offers ready-to-go models over API, already installed and running on that hardware. So you don't have to set anything up yourself. That's what I will use for a demo. I will use the pre-installed frontier model called GLM 5.2. Let me show you the setup end to end. Okay, the first part is to go to nebius.com, then log in, and you go into the token factory if you want to access the pre-installed AI models, and you log in into AI Cloud if you want to rent your own GPUs. For the demo's sake, I will do the token factory just for now. You can log in with a Google or GitHub account. It makes it really straightforward to log in. The areas that you care about over here, you can explore all the available models in the model catalog. And then lower down, you have the sandboxes where you can play around and experiment. The number of models available is truly phenomenal. And then the important part for us is API key. I already added my billing information, so I jumped straight ahead and I'll say create new API key. But demo, create. Don't worry about seeing the API key, I will remove it before the video goes live. Remember to store the API key, because once it's been presented to you, you won't be able to access it again, although you will be able to create other API keys. Okay, then for the next step, Hermes agent, go open settings, press model, then custom endpoint, set up custom endpoint, paste our API key, and over here goes HTTPS API token factory. Nebius.com v1. There you go. You can see now when you select the model, you can see all the various models available over here. And if we scroll lower down, we'll be able to find our GLM 5.2 in this case. And there's one thing that makes this worth knowing. GLM 5.2 is the frontier model. In many ways, it's challenging what even Opus or even close to Fable that it can do. It's far more capable than anything you could possibly squeeze onto a local machine, let alone a laptop. So the weakest computer in your office just got access to one of the strongest models available while still maintaining the full privacy. Okay, so we're going to give the same prompt to Hermes agent about the discovery call that we had with Imaginary Consultancy, and we'll see how well it gets on creating the proposal with the GLM model. There you go. So the first part to note how fast the GLM 5.2 is. It did full reasoning, very quickly produced an outline, and now it's doing the structure and the output. So it realized the capture points that we had about their pricing structure, that it needs to keep under 15. It did not come up with any of the facts, and it has a number of confirm items. We'll say create a draft for internal circulation. You can see at the bottom we have a 1 million token context available. That means that you could squeeze a lot, straight away come up with the necessary Python code, Python packages, and it's handling all the installation. Again, if you refer to the previous video, the local Olama model very much struggled, even with the GPU available, to come up and resolve some of these issues on the first instance. And our file is ready to Review. They go 6 pages. I think it's a reasonably well formatted document with the colors outlined and the structure that's pretty good for the first draft. And all of that was done with the open source model. So let's be straight about what you gain and what you give up. When it's local on a proper GPU, this means nothing leaves the building. Maximum privacy, but capped capability that you will need a lot of hardware for. This laptop plus cloud route flips it. You have the frontier capability on a weak hardware, but your data now travels to a third party. Those are the opposite ends of the same dial. Now, with the Nebius specifically what matters, and I want to be precise, it's a two real points. First, it's a European hosted with the EU data center options. So for UK or a EU firm, that's a genuine difference from sending your data to a US hyperscaler. And it's about where the data physically sits and what rules govern it. It's not the same as local, but it's a lot more controlled than the obvious default. Second, and this is the part most people miss, the same Nebius account that rents you the model by the token will also rent you the whole GPU that only you use. And that's the middle path between tiny model on my laptop and a shared cloud API. You can rent your own isolated GPU, your hardware in their data center, and you are not sharing the space with anyone else. Roughly speaking, H1 class card run in the region of $4 an hour at the time of filming before VAT. And that's the option for a firm that needs both real capability and real control. And this gives you access to an agent that still runs locally on your laptop, that has access to your local files with the full agentic capabilities. Cloud or local, you put the guardrails on what allowed to do within your business. So practically, if the work is genuinely confidential, client data that can't leave the building, you run it fully local on a proper GPU or on a small capable model on your laptop. If you just need a capable agent and the data isn't sensitive, laptop plus the cloud route is the easiest win there is. Any machine in your office can do it. And if you need both frontier capability and control over your data, you rent your own isolated GPU rather than using the shared token API. What mistakes to avoid? So don't reach for the cloud out of the habit for your most sensitive work. Just because it's easier, it doesn't mean that's the right thing for your data and for your data governance. Match the route to the job. That's the 5-minute conversation most firms never actually had. Conclusion, a local laptop can't run an agent such as Hermes because it requires 64 key context for the local model, so it won't even start. Point the same laptop at the frontier model like GLM 5.2 on Nebius, and it runs great. But your data now leaves the machine. So to match the route to the job, local for confidential, shared cloud for the rest, and you can have your own rented GPU when you need both capability and a full and complete control over your data. If you're not sure where to begin with your AI and how to enable your business with AI, that's exactly what our AI assessment maps, where your data risks sit and what fixes you do first. Link in below. If you missed a full local version of this, the same proposal running on my own GPU with nothing leaving the building, that's the video to watch next.